My name's Thomas Coleman and I'm studying a HLA NVQ Level 5 in Construction Management and a HND in Civil Engineering. I chose to study a BTEC Apprenticeship because it's a lot more meaningful for someone who's been working in the industry for 9 years. A-levels were an option as well, but having worked in an industry for so long, I'd rather have work-based experience qualification. The main thing it's provided me with is motivation and confidence.
I can remember the moment that I first met Tom and we were talking about enhancements and what you can do to kind of better yourself, and Tom took this on board and said, I want to contribute, I want to give something back, I want to get more involved with professional bodies and seminars, and he has. And from that moment he hasn't looked back.
Well, I first met Tom at HNC. I'm in the structures side, he's in the highway side. So I get a more all-round picture of the construction industry by working with Tom, and we kind of collaborate ideas, and I know it's helped me a lot. I don't know how much it's helped him, but it's helped me a lot knowing what he knows.
He's driven by the actual structure of the industry. He knows an awful lot about it, he knows how to apply it, but he's also willing to learn all the time.
Being Tom's fiancé and colleague, I get to see how much hard work he puts in. He's always trying to better himself, and he's always trying to raise his own personal bar.
I'm lucky enough to work in a fantastic place with a lot of fantastic people who work here. I've recently overhauled the company's geographic information system, and this helps to keep our road users, workers and networks safe. It helps us manage our data in a user-friendly way, and it provides lots of additional benefits to AOne Plus, both lean and economically. There was a massive opportunity there to be had. There was outdated software, there was outdated hardware, and there was a role to jump into to take this and make it my own.
We have a quarterly award, so they are actually nominated by people about going above and beyond. Tom won that last year and he went forward to what we call the national finals, and he was runner-up with that. He's done pretty well to get there at such a young age as well.
I always knew that Tom had it in him, and there was this frustration that at one stage that he wasn't quite getting there, but then now to see the difference in his demeanour, the things he's won, he almost thinks it's normal to achieve what he's actually achieved, but that's not the case.
I have a conditional offer to study a Masters in Geographic Information System, which starts September, and this is somewhat unique because I'm not going through the bachelor's route, I'm going straight to Masters from BTEC level, which is a testament to how much credit universities are putting into BTEC's qualifications these days.
Yeah, I see Tom as really being a peer leader in this business, so we look at having about up to 10 apprentices on this side of contract.
When I see younger students and people just getting involved in the industry, I think about how I was 10 years ago when I first started there and how I appreciated my mentors to help me along the way.
I think the future is glorious for Tom. I think he's got a phenomenal amount of potential because of his ability to assimilate new information, to assimilate new ideas, and to actually progress the building industry.
I nominated Tom for BTEC of the Apprentice of the Year 19 plus because he excels at everything he does. He's a superstar.
It fills me with pride that all my hard work and dedication that I've put in recently is really starting to pay off, and this is the pinnacle of my career today, and hopefully it will make my mum and my fiancée very proud.